good skin is not only what you apply on the skin, it has to do with what you ingest. Oh my God, it's so windy, so I am going to buy some grocery. The kids are on holidays and every day I shop. Every day you gotta shop, you gotta make sure that there is food in the house. Literally every day I shop. Let's go into the store. I have not had salmon in a long time.
So he's paying for cup, right?
Vegetables.
Yeah, he's supposed to. The other day he won like 100 and something.
How does he? I can't remember.
Sweet
He
potato.
always grades nothing.
Salmon.
He asked
I
me,
know.
the other day he asked me like, go choose one, but I'm gonna pay for it. It's $10 one.
Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, peppers. Oh my gosh, can't wait to go home and cook. Coriander. Yes, my coriander, my parsley, everything. Yes, I'm so excited. Guys are used to my breakfast where I make a lot of shakes and smoothies. So here I am cooking supper, fish, vegetables. So this is my salmon. It's all washed. All I need, I love black pepper and I love a lot of black pepper. So I put some black pepper. Salmon, it's a very nice fish. It doesn't need a lot of seasoning. Then you're gonna turn it over, put more black pepper. Next thing I'm going to be using is salt, Himalayan salt. I don't need a lot. It's very nutritious. So just put some Himalayan salt. And what I have here is sesame seed oil. Next time I'll be doing a full video of benefits of sesame seed oil. I love cooking with sesame seed oil or avocado oil. Remember, do not cook with olive oil. If you cook with olive oil, it destroys the benefits, the nutritional benefits of olive oil. I also have coconut oil. Now I'm going to turn this around. Adding some coconut oil on the other side. Just 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Now I am ready to toss this inside the oven. The oven has been heating up for the past 10 minutes and I'm going to be putting this salmon inside the oven. Salmon really doesn't take time to cook. I put it in the oven for 15 minutes. It's done. I have some chopped garlic. I'm going to put it on top. Remember, you are not supposed to cook garlic. So put it here. I have some pepper. I'm gonna put all this pepper on top. It's still warm. This board here, I have some Brussels sprouts. I put it in the pot. Cauliflower and mushroom. It's a vegetable of my choice. You can choose any vegetable you want. A little bit of warm water. I'm just going to put it on top of the stove. Vegetable is done. There's small water in that. I will be sieving the water in this jar. You sieve the vegetable water. You know me, I cannot waste anything. I'll be putting it in the fridge and I will drink it tomorrow when I wake up in the morning. Goes in the fridge. You know what? I will be eating too. I'm sorry. I am so hungry. olive oil, and I'll be using 1 teaspoon of olive oil on my veggies. So this meal has olive oil, coconut oil, and sesame seed oil, and you can tell it's a little bit of everything. And look over here, I have my glass of in here. Cheers. So dinner, 7:30 p.m. in the evening. After eating this, I will sleep for 10 hours. You can have your tea if you want to. I'm not having me no tea. I'm going to wait for 2 hours. I go for only 15 minutes work around the block. I'll come home and I will sleep. Remember, keep looking good, keep looking hot, keep looking sexy. Get that beach body this summer. Love you all. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. Next time I will make you guys Nigerian swallow. We will be eating Nigerian swallow on this channel. Because I've been getting a lot of requests of do this, do that, so I'm doing it one at a time, and I'm enjoying my supper. Oh, tell your friends, tell your families. Hop over to Katia Valino's channel where we have fun, where we do different kinds of things about beauty and lifestyle. Thank you guys, and I love you for watching.